Today, the number of volunteers globally may well now exceed 1 billion. If Volunteerland were a country, only China would have a larger working age population. Yet, even with volunteerism more important than ever before, little research on the topic exists. And for many volunteers, no matter how compelling the mission of the organization they work for, their experience is often disjointed, disorganized, and disappointing. Organizations around the world need to take a fresh look at not just what their volunteers can do for them, but what they can do for their volunteers. At AFS, a 100-plus-year-old nonprofit with a global network of 50,000-plus volunteers, we view the volunteer experience as a journey that we can understand, map, and manage. We have created a tool containing strategic, instructional, creative, and assessment resources that can help organizations understand their own volunteers' journey. Using our tool across your organization, you can improve recruitment, management, and retention, all boosting volunteer engagement. When organizations provide their volunteers with a more engaging, meaningful experience, they make a bigger impact, and in the end, make the world a better place. Explore the toolkit and learn more.